So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBPUSD. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any updates. So if you watch the analysis we did for the week on GBPUSD, I tell you guys clearly that GBPUSD will push up and thereby form a bullish move to take out this high. This high is still highlighted, so we will be expecting market to push up to take out this high. And guess what market is doing? For Monday, market give us a bullish move. So that is to tell you that this bullish move that market did give us on Monday was about 100 pips. So if you had hopped in on the buy and hopping and take in the buy and follow the prediction that we did, right? You should have been in 100 pips in profits right now. So basically, this is one of the reasons why you need to subscribe so you will not miss out on more updates. Now, as this movement finish playing out, definitely not. We would expect this movement to continue till it is able to fully take out this previous high. So more bullish move to the upside is still what we are going to be expecting on GBPUSD. Now, let's start from here for quick analysis. So if you take a look at it, zoom it out on your daily time frame, you can clearly see that this is an uptrend move. This is our trend on GBPUSD. This is a full trend. GBPUSD is in an uptrend move. So let's see this. If take a look at this to be your higher high, this can be seen as the higher low. This is the higher high, and here is our higher low, right? This is just the higher low. Now, market was able to push up to give us an higher high here. You can see that this is the massive high that markets formed, which is an higher high. Then here comes the higher low. Now the higher low is over right now. The higher low is over, and we are now expecting market to push up for that it is able to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this side. So if you have to take a buy now to market break above this level here, that should be about 180 pips. So basically, you have a potential 180 pips to 200 pips to grab if you're hoping on the buy. So hoping for the bullish move, hoping for the buy on GBPUSD. More updates will be covered on this for you guys. So subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the updates.